Okay, I have a delicious, crowd-pleasing snack that is going to make everyone happy. It is my mom's white chocolate popcorn.
I'm already all smiles. This is so good.
I'm so excited. So basically what you need, and it's really makeshift. You can decide to use whatever you want, but you're going to need 6 cups of popped popcorn. And then right here, you can see this is the finished. This is her Rocky Road one. So inside this, we have marshmallows and salted nuts. And my mom loves salty and sweet.
Okay.
So that's why she chooses the salted ones. But today, David,
yes,
you are going to do your own. So
really?
I'm going to have you decide, yes.
Okay.
So you could either choose the M&Ms, we have some cashews, we have some hot tamales. My mom really likes the M&M and tamale combination.
Yes, I'm thinking of that kamikaze drink where you just go by and hit everything. You ever just packed it all in?
Oh yeah, I used to do that all the time when I was younger.
I don't know if I'll do that today, but that's what I'm thinking.
So you decide, so it's really important to put your toppings in before you put the chocolate in. So the chocolate stays to that. So you decide what you want to go in there. We have some M&Ms, marshmallows, nuts, tamales. You decide, and I'll let you mix that.
Okay, now your mom, Dion, this is a family staple.
Yes.
She's been doing this for years. Tradition?
Oh, she loves it. Usually if for the big game that comes around February time,
yeah, sure.
she will dye the chocolate to the teams that are playing.
Oh,
so we've had red and blue on there before. You could also buy the chocolate already dyed at a craft store.
Well, if I go with the M&Ms, there's a lot of teams in there, so maybe I'm going to go with M&Ms.
So put the M&Ms in, and then she always drizzles dark and milk chocolate off the top. Okay. So you decide that.
Is this right? I'm just spreading it through. Doesn't matter how. There's no technique to this.
David. No.
I was not trained. I'm not a trained professional. Anyone can do this, and I'll add some of this.
Yes. Put the chocolate in. Put some of that in.
Look
at David, he's a pro.
I worked on this all week.
And then we have some tamales, nuts, marshmallows, you decide. And what I'm doing over here
Maybe some marshmallows, yeah.
I know this is white chocolate popcorn, but I decided to do a little spin off my mom's recipe and do kind of a semi-sweet. So I'm going to cover the whole thing in chocolate instead of white chocolate.
So I'm just adding extra calories just for the fun of it at this point.
So now you can mix it up with this.
Okay.
And if you're going to do the white chocolate, you should probably put it in the microwave to get it to melt. I would do it in 30-second increments. White chocolate melts a little faster.
So be careful with it. It can burn, right?
Or you can temper it. Like I'm tempering this chocolate right here, which just means you put water in a pot and then you melt the chocolate on top. So get that all good and mixed.
It looks like everything just went to the bottom.
Yeah,
but the chocolate's going to change that, right?
All right,
you add that consistency.
So now let's take the chocolate.
Okay.
And we're going to drizzle that on top. Ooh, look at that. So mix that up, David, or the best you can.
Good. Okay. Yeah.
And then after you're done with that, you just put it on a sheet pan. I did it lined with parchment paper.
Okay.
You put it on a sheet pan, let it sit, and then ta-da!
So I mix that all together really well, put it on here, let it just sit, and you are done.
You're done.
Oh, this is so cool and easy.
There you go.
And for the big game coming up, this is a must.
There you go. All right, we'll be right back.